Substitute procedures. Substitutes provide valuable assistance when teachers have to be out of the classroom. Sit in your assigned seat, be respectful and responsible. Follow directions even when it may not be what you normally do. Assist when you can. All rules still apply and consequences can be assigned. Kafudi Incorporated. Kafudi Incorporated is our way of reminding everyone to respect others' personal space. It stands for keep hands and feet and all other objects to yourself, including negative comments.